Hey everyone, Marcus here. Today I'm going to do a Christmas edition of why Royalq is totally, completely awesome. So a little bit about me. So I started in the online business, looking for online opportunities around 2014. So it's been a while. And I've had my fingers burnt multiple times, but I also help build very big teams and been very successful in companies that I've chosen to work with before, right? So leveraging this here experience, going into Royalq, I really see the potential, right? Because they will do what taxis has done, no, what Uber has done to taxis, what Airbnb has done to hotels, right? What Amazon has done to bookstores. So really, they will disrupt, right? They will disrupt. Because before, when I started out, all you had to do, you need to have blind faith, right? You had the blind faith that the company that you were working with, the platform that you had, that they were honest individuals that didn't just take your money and run away with it the next day, right? And this Royalq has a trusted third party. So whereas before you had to put your money in a platform where you had to lock it up for a period of time, you had no transparency if they actually did what they said they were going to do, or if they just took the money and paid out money from other people joining. And that was basically it, right? And so many people, including myself, got my fingers burned. Now, with this here concept, so Royalq is putting together investors and traders together. So we have traders on the platform who are very good at, making analysis of the market, and they can set up a strategy inside of Royalq that you as an investors with no previous experience about crypto, no previous experience about trading, can then connect into, right? So these trades will actually happen in your own account, whether that is Binance, houbi, or Coinbase Pro. And these traders in Royalq, they cannot access your funds, they cannot touch it, but you can use an API key to link them, right? But they can do no funny business, but the trades will take place in your own account. The profit will be generated in your own account, and you can take it out whenever you want to, right? So the way that Royalq does that is that in Royalq you have something called an asset. So you have a little bit of money in there, and that the platform would then deduct the fees from. So say, for instance, that you have a documented profit of $10, then $2 will be deducted from your asset account on Royalq, and then an additional 1 to 2.5% for the trading, for the trader, depending on which trader you use, right? So that's basically it in a nutshell. And another thing that's actually two really cool things, right? The first part is that when this here documented income, we can see it when you see your daily income, you can actually open that window up and you will see full and complete transparency. You will see the order number, right? You will see the timestamp, you will see the order pair, you will see how much profit was made. So you can double check that, okay, did this trade actually take place, right? And that's one thing. Another thing is that the bot is so advanced that it can sell off separate margin calls. What does that mean, right? What's a margin call? So basically, when you connect with this strategy, what it does is that when the coins go down in value, the bot will automatically buy in more, and then when the market swings back up again, it will then sell off. The cool part is that even if your whole position is still minus, but part of your margin calls are now profitable, they can be sold off separately to generate a profit. So what does that mean? It means that if you are trading with $100 and it goes down 20% in value, right? And you keep buying in more. And then when the market swings up again, it swings up 10%, right? Not the full 20, but only 10%. So Now the initial buy-ins and margin calls that you did in the beginning, they're still minus, but the last positions that you bought, the 10th position, the 9th, the 8th, the 7th, they are now in profit and they will be sold off separately, right? So even when the market goes up, when it goes down, we can still make money. And then we can dollar cost average, putting more money into those positions where the value has gone down a lot, to dollar cost average, so you don't have to wait so long for the market to swing back up again. Now, with me working online, this is by far the easiest thing to promote, to share with other people. Why? Two reasons. The two things people want to know. Number one, does it work? Here you can see from day one, you can see money being generated in your app. You can just see it, show people, hey, I'm making money with this. Number two, what do people want to know? Is this a scam? Is this for real? And when we share this concept that they have, where the trader, the Royalq and the investors, they all benefit from each other, we can quickly see that in this ecosystem, they are built one on top of each other, right? So one cannot exist without the other. And because this is a real product with real trades happening in real time, Royalq does not have any incentive whatsoever to close its doors, right? Because the more people that use the platform, that use those traders that are there, the more money they will generate from the profits being made, right? And it's also a really, really good deal for the traders, because a successful, good trader can have, 10, 15, 20,000 people connected to them, and they earn between 1 to 2.5% on the profits generated there. So they're making a killing as well, right? Whilst the investors, well, historically speaking, okay, no guarantee whatsoever, no guarantee, somewhere between 20 to 30% on their traded capital, right? But even if we were to slice that in half, if we're looking at 10 to 15% return on your investment per month, right? That's still amazing. There's no bank in the world that would even give you that, even on a yearly basis, let alone a monthly basis. So everybody benefits, and your money is safe and secure in your own account. So people know, hey, this is for real, this is long lasting, this will be around. People are making money, people are excited, and all those people that that have had their fingers burnt, or maybe even now are in a platform where they have to give money away, lock it up, they're guaranteed a certain percentage per day, which just isn't possible. Tell those people about this great opportunity, and you will blossom in this business. So if you're interested in building a big team and really get the most out of your Royalq experience, because you don't have to recruit other people to make money, but you make a lot more if you do, right? So that's why I'm here. I'm helping people that are ambitious, that are hardworking, that are sharp, that want more. I help them together, work closely, so we can build their business together. So if you're interested in what that looks like and want to get in contact with me so we can potentially do some business together, just fill in the link here in the description below, and let's crush this thing. Let's take it to the top. All right, my name is Marcus. I want to thank each and every one of you, and remember, your past does not equal your future. You can completely change the trajectory of your life starting today, and make the rest of your life the best of your life. Thank you very much. My name is Marcus.